Hi, this is Monique. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, I do YouTube how-to videos and I do reviews. So I publish these videos every other day. So if you like this channel, please subscribe, leave a like, and keep watching. So today I've got another shoe review for you today. Today I am reviewing some really cool Vans. I've never reviewed Vans before. I've never actually had a pair of Vans before. I had like knockoff Vans, but not real ones. So today we're going to be looking at some old school gum kind of bottom Vans running shoes. So I'm going to cue some of the pictures on the video right now. Okay, so these are, I think, called authentic Van sneakers. I got them from my favorite store, if you know what I mean. So like I said, I'm in Canada, so these were about 80 bucks Canadian, so I'm not sure, it's got to be cheaper, maybe like 70 bucks in the US, but I really like them. They're like a pair of white old school Vans. So you can see that's what the bottom looks like. I think they're called Off the Wall. They've got a little kind of ticket kind of thing, a little red ticket thing on the back, like a flag with a skateboard on it, and it says Off the Wall on it. So that's pretty cool. I like the Vans logo in here. I like the feeling of the canvas on top of the shoe, but I really like old school shoes. They remind me of the shoes that we had like in military school and stuff, when we had to like run in those kind of shoes. It's gum authentic on the bottom, so actually I really like that. So they were a little bit stiff when I was like wearing them for the first time, but they looked really cool. I'll put some more pictures in, but they go with like every outfit that I have actually, which is very surprising. I thought it would look like weird. It kind of like makes my legs look skinnier, I think, just like the skinny kind of fit of the shoes. And one thing that was a little bit different, I was looking for a size 8.5, and maybe it's just that Vans, they fit like tighter than Nikes, because like these I think are a size 8 actually, and I originally had like size 8.5, and like 8 fits really well with some extra space at the top of the shoe for my toes. So that's pretty cool. So I actually really like these. They were comfortable, but like I said, they're brand new, so they're hard to like break in a little bit. So I was just like, oh my god. But yeah, they look really, really cool. So it's white with like the gum kind of bottom. That's the colorway. So actually I've been looking for some like pure white shoes so that I can pass them off to this sneaker artist. So I'm gonna keep these for a little while, see what they look like, and like get comfortable in them, and then I'm gonna pass them off in maybe like a week or two to the sneaker artist and see what she comes up with for these shoes. So like I said, they were 80 bucks. They're a really good buy. I think they're a good addition to my sneaker collection, just because like I don't have any other Vans. I've never had Vans before. And yeah, so they're really comfortable. I think I'm gonna have to spray them with something just to protect them from getting like really dirty or anything. But yeah, they look really sweet. I was like when I saw them, I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta get that. But yeah, this has been a review of my new I think they're called Gum Authentic, but they're like white and gum bottom old school Vans sneakers. It's my first pair of Vans sneakers. So if you like this channel and you want to see more reviews of sneakers like this, don't forget to go to my Instagram. I will post a whole bunch of pictures up about these shoes as well, and I will see you on the next one.